Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the 2-pack of the 150-gram Zarpax dehumidifier bag. Now these are exactly the same as the 250-gram ones, except for a smaller scale. These work for 200 cubic feet, and you'll microwave them for 3 minutes instead of 5 minutes like on the larger size. Now let's take a look at the original commercial.
Hey, it's Anissa, and I've got a great new dehumidifier that everybody can use. It's called the Zarpax rechargeable dehumidifier, and it's actually a bag filled with silicon dioxide, and this is great. They're so easy to use. What I love about them is you don't have to empty bins of water or clean out filters, and there's no electricity, so you can put this anywhere. Trust me, you can even put this in your refrigerator and it'll soak up any humidity that you have in there. But here's what's really great about it. It's rechargeable. And how you know you need to do that is this little penguin here turns to pink. And then you just pop it in the microwave for about 5 minutes and it'll turn back to blue and you can reuse it again. Now here's the thing, you get 2 in a box and each one covers about 350 cubic feet. So an average size room, you're gonna need 2 or 3 of these. The one thing I do wanna point out is you wanna keep them away from pets and children, so you can tuck them away where they're not gonna see them and just check them every once in a while. What I love is the size allows you to use this anywhere in your home, in your car, RV, boat, even in the office. You just kind of want to plan out how many you're going to need, because when you buy more, you save more.
Now, like I said, this deal is for the 2-pack of the 150-gram sizes. Now we have an absolutely incredible deal that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over to the site and grab these today.